Okay, today we're going to talk about percentage and percentile. Percentage is basically your individual score. Percentile is a comparison to the entire population or to an entire group. I have a friend of mine who went to the University of Michigan, and this individual scored a 98% on their first calculus exam. And what happened was she ended up getting a C because over 50% of the class scored at a 98%, so she was in the 50th percentile. Percentile is basically stated as at or above. If I'm in the 90th percentile, I've scored at or above 90% of the entire population. You can't be in the 100th percentile. It's impossible. So you're saying 99th percentile. That's as high as you can go. So I want to show you how to use the calculator to be able to figure out a raw score given a percentile. So we're going to go back to our data that we had before. We're going to have a mean of 32, a standard deviation of 2. And again, I've drawn a normal curve, and I've put the mean at the center, and I've done the standard deviations. And let's just try and figure out what score would put us at the 40th percentile. In your book, it would be P sub 40. On your calculator, what you're going to hit is the second vars, and then invnorm, and then 0.40. This will give you a z-score. Forgive me for a second. Alright, so on your handy-dandy graphing calculator, you're going to hit the second vars, and you're going to go down to number 3, invnorm. Okay? And then hit the 0.40. So hit enter, and then 0.40, right parenthesis, hit enter. And you can see it reading at negative 0.25334. Okay? So this is my z-score, but it's not the raw data point, and we're looking for the actual score. So what we use is the z-score formula, forgive me. That is our z-score. So negative 0.25334 is equal to the raw data point, x, minus our mean, divided by 2. And multiply both sides by 2. And they're canceling. And so you're going to have 2 times negative 0.25334 is equal to x minus 32. Now add your 32 to both sides. So it's 2 times negative 0.25334 plus 32 is equal to your x. That will give you your raw data point. And in saying that, that way I did it matches the formula that's in your book. So that's how they came up with the formula as well. All right, hopefully that helps.